So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable your keyboard sound on your uh, iPhone, like this one. You hear it. So what you have to do is to just simply go to your settings, and then you have to scroll down to sound and haptics, and then you have to scroll down to keyboard feedback. And so here you can see sound and haptic. If you want to off the sound, you can simply disable it. If you want to disable haptics also, so you have to disable it also. So that's how you can disable it. Like, you want to disable it, and then go to this, and as you can see there is no sound. If you hear it or you see, that's how you can disable your haptics, your sound on your iPhone. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See ya. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any curious questions, you can comment below. See ya.